Alpha.
What do you do when you want moments like these to last a lifetime? Some write a book, others paint a canvas. For me, I picked up my camera because every pixel tells a story and every shot lets me see more of it. I learned to start small and then get real close. Some moments zoom in, while others make sense when I slow them down. With every shot, I keep a little more of what mattered. The person, the feeling, the lights, the timing. What I feel is what I see, even if it's late at night, even when I'm on the move, even when it's on a quiet day. So, what do you do when you want moments like this to last a lifetime? I freeze time and keep the memories alive with just a click, and it's ready for the ones I haven't lived yet.
Sony.